to our rabbit. This is a little shiny, so we're going to add a little powdered sugar to dull it down. So I don't want it quite that shiny. This is a 6-inch square. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to make 2 large, this is our bunny rabbit. We're going to make 2 large, his little puffy, cheeky parts. Like this. And a little pink, we're going to take, we're going to make a ball, and then we're going to kind of flatten it so it comes down here and it's kind of flat on top. But I still want to keep it up and rounded. And then I want to take my toothpick. Oh, that's the wrong one. I'm going to keep it kind of triangular shaped. And give them little nostrils. That's going to be the front part here. These are going to flatten just a little bit. And they get 3 pokes, like a triangle. Probably should make them a little, I might make those a little bit bigger. They seem a little small. And I'm doing it at an angle, by the way. I'm not doing it straight, in case you haven't noticed. These are a little small. Let's make them slightly bigger. And let's make those whiskers marks. And then I want his 2 front teeth, which is just it's a ball and then it's a sausage. And I'm going to kind of flatten it out and then make a mark right in the center. Okay. And then we need to do his eyes. His eyes are, we need equal size balls. Okay, and then into a tiered cone. And then I'm going to flatten those out so they make kind of like teardrops. Now they're upside down to you. All right, let me turn them right side up for you. And then I want to flatten the bottoms. So they're flat. So they're almost like triangles, but they're a little rounded at the top. Okay, and then we need the blue. You can actually, cut these out with decorating tips if you want to make sure they're equal size. Roll it out and cut it out with the back side of a decorating tip. Guess I made these more rounded at the top. There we go. So it's almost like a window. There we go. That looks a little bit better. He is looking to the side. Just layering it on there. I have to turn this around so I can see what I'm doing. I would have liked those a little bit bigger, but they're okay. Yeah, that works. As you can see, it's just his face. And then I'm taking a little bit of black, and I'm going to roll a snake. Oop. Another one. So it's tapered. It's fat in the middle and tapered on the ends. About the same length. Oop. I have to turn it around again so I can see. Here's his little face. Now we can give him eyelashes if you want to give him like little lashes. but I didn't put any on my guy, I don't think. No, I didn't. Okay, but I did give him little pink cheeks. So what I have is a little bit of the Cosmos dust and a fluffy brush. The thing about the Cosmos, with rolled buttercream, it's really going to stick. So make sure you got a lot of powdered sugar on it. So when you do, I got to turn it around so I can see. Because rolled buttercream tends to absorb the dust. So be careful when you put it on. Okay, and we'll finish his border in a little bit.
There's this cute little piece.
Okay, what's left is our lamb.